This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a text box in Google Slides. Please make sure you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can be notified when I publish videos in the future. So this video is going to show you how to work with and insert text boxes into your Google Slides. And this is where you can place text and you can also place photos inside of it. How you get to the option of putting a text box in is to go to the menu at the top of the screen and search for the box with the T in it, and that is for text box. And when you do that, you need to click and drag your mouse to your desired size. And now I have a text box. And now that I have my text box here, I'm just going to write some text here. This is a text box. And I'm going to, just for the sake of making it kind of presentable, I'm going to make it bigger. And I am also going to center that text as well. And this is my text box. Now, once you have your text box formed, you have a few formatting options. You can change the fill color by clicking the picture of the bucket and changing the color of the inside. You can also change the color of the border. So currently I don't have a border, but if I want to change the color of the border, let's say I want a green border, I can make it green. But now let's say that I want the border to be thicker. If you press these lines, you'll see an option for border weight, and I'm going to make it 8, size 8. And so now I have a thicker green border, and now I want to change how the border appears. And if you click on this picture that has several different line shapes, you can change how your border looks in your text box on Google Slides. So this is how you create and format a text box in Google Slides. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel so that you can see awesome videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.